I'll go in jail. Please don't call the police. Ah, my uterus.
You got an ID on you, bud?
I do. Here you go. Billy Buttcrack from the Billy Buttcrack News Network.
Okay. I need your actual ID, sir.
Oh. Sir, let me see that ID, please.
I'm going to need your actual ID.
I'm going to need yours.
Place you under arrest.
Billy from the BCNN News Network was working on an important project about lactation when facility members confronted him about his filming. However, one thing is clear: nothing can stop Billy from gathering information, not even the cops. Let's see how effortlessly he not only confronted the cops, but also mocked them, leaving them with no choice but to retreat.
Oh, you surprised me. Yeah, what are you doing? Goodness gracious. You got me with my pants down almost. Golly. I didn't see you. Oh, right now I'm just recording.
For?
Oh, it's well, I got sent out here. See? See my badge?
What is it?
Boob inspection.
Boob inspection?
Yeah, I just need to make sure people are healthy and doing the right thing, you know?
No, really, what are you doing?
Oh, just videotaping right now.
Videotaping what?
This building. It's one of my favorites.
Well,
Hey, look. Huh?
yeah, I want to know what you're doing.
Oh, I'm with BCNN News Network.
Well, so why do you got a badge that says something about boobs?
Oh, what is it? Hold on, let me double read it. Boob Inspector, Department of Titillation. So I'm just out here getting content, you know. You got to do what you got to do in this day and age. You know what I mean? Especially with news.
I don't know what you're doing videotaping my plan.
Oh, shoot, this is yours?
Yeah, it's
Hey,
mine.
could I work here? Would you offer me a job? I can swear to you I'm one of the best top tier workers. I know we could work together. I just require 7 figures. We can do this, and I know we can improve this plant right here. We can become the best business in the world, not just Iowa.
You are videotaping my facility.
Oh, I work at BCNN.
Do I need to call the cops to come out?
No, please, I'll go in jail. Please don't call the police. Please don't call the police. I don't want to go to jail. I did nothing, please. Ah, my uterus.
How you doing?
Hey, you scared me.
What you up to?
You startled me.
Sorry. What you up to, bud?
Oh, just recording.
What for?
Oh, I'm BCNN.
For what?
BCNN.
What's that?
It's a news network.
Okay. You got an ID on you, bud?
I do. Maybe. Here you go. Billy Buttcrack from the Billy Buttcrack News Network.
Okay. I need your actual ID, sir.
Oh. Sir, let me see that ID, please.
Okay. I'm going to need your actual ID.
I'm gonna need
have
yours.
To place you under arrest, sir.
For what crime?
For what crime? Right now, you're interfering. I'm investigating.
Interfering what crime?
You're interfering.
What crime?
You're interfering. With
Uh-oh, you
official
might need to go get your supervisor. I know more about you than your job.
They
than
just
you
want to
do.
know what you're doing recording here, man.
I
That's all
told
wanna
you,
figure out.
BCNN, Buttcrack News Network.
Okay.
I'm getting content for a story, and you're interrupting it.
Okay. What story?
I can't tell you.
Okay.
Don't you see this?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a boob inspector.
Okay.
Okay? Department of Titillations.
Okay.
Okay? I work for BCNN, Buttcrack News Network.
Okay.
My nickname is Billy. I go by Billy Buttcrack.
Okay. What's your actual name?
I can't tell you.
Okay.
Or let me see your ID first.
Okay.
JD Hartwig.
Yep.
Let me see your ID, young man.
Okay.
Please.
I'm just trying to figure out what you're doing out here for the business, bud.
Oh, for the business?
Yep. They're the one that called you.
I know. I was trying to get a job here. I asked them, and
Okay.
they left me hanging. I've just been standing here. I told them I want 7 figures.
Okay.
You know, I don't work for cheap. I don't work for that 6-figure BS. I want to be a millionaire, and I want it now. You know what I mean? So I'm out here doing a story. I'm BCNN. We're going to be the biggest news network in all of the world, not just America. Buttcrack News Network will be #1. I guarantee you. We're not CNN. We don't produce fake news. We're real news.
Okay.
BCNN. You're going to hear all about us. We are the best in the business.
Okay.
So I'm just out here trying to get stories, you know? I'm working on this one right now, and then I'm going to work on another one, you know?
Where at?
I'm trying to go to the lactation plant.
Which is where?
They have different hospitals for lactation. So I'm trying to figure out like the best milk content between fat and proteins. because we're trying to get the best protein milks possible. I know you heard of muscle milk before, right? Exactly. We're trying to get even a better product. And here I have this Fairfield Life. It's 50-50. I'm trying to get the absolute best. This has 50% more protein. How? Ultra pasteurized. We want to do that the same with breast milk. I don't know if we can, but we're going to fucking try. You know, we need the best products available.
Okay.
Would you care to try some?
No thanks.
I can assure you it's going to be some of the best milk you've tasted.
No.
And we're going to do it better at BCNN, Butt Crack News Network.
Okay.
So, I mean, there's also something if you want to help with the missing person report.
What missing person report?
I've been looking for this man. I've been looking all over for him. He goes by Beetle. Beetlejuice. Lester Green is his real name.
Okay. Hang tight. I'll be right back with you.
Okay. Beetle. Beetle, baby. I was thinking about taking a piss here too.
What's that?
Oh, I was just looking at this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
About taking a wee over there or what?
Oh, you know, everyone has to pee, but
They do, but not in public.
yeah, no, peeing in public cannot be
Then
good.
We're gonna identify one way or the other.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, I would rather not piss here today.
Okay, that's
Maybe when you guys aren't here, I'll sneak around and pee, but I probably won't.
No, probably
You know, I'm a good
If
man.
someone does see you, then they're gonna identify.
Oh
that,
my
but,
gosh,
you know
yeah,
what
I don't want to pee.
Yeah.
All right, I'll
Or
hold
you
it.
could go to
I'll
the
hold it
gas
in.
station and go there because it's inside.
You know what? That's a good idea.
Yeah, that's pretty good idea, I think.
Yeah,
So that keep you from getting in trouble. You know what I mean?
I don't want to get in trouble.
Exactly. Well, if you want to stay out of trouble, don't pee outside.
Okay. Hey, do you want to? Or do you like watching news networks?
Do I?
Yeah.
I'm not really a fan. I don't watch the news.
I don't blame you because it's fake news, right? For the most part, it's propaganda based.
I just don't like it because they just seem to hem up on all the depressing stuff, and I don't want to hear it. So.
That's true, and I work for BCNN. We only do real news. We like to show the good and the bad. We do them both.
What you got going with NAPCO then?
They're government contractor nerds
Okay. For what?
for being nerdy.
Well, I know, but.
Oh, like what? Oh, I just told him. So I'm trying to do, if you didn't see my badge on here, boob inspection, Department of Titillation. We're trying to produce the best milk. That's why I brought out Fair Life milk, 50% more protein. And we're trying to figure out ways that we can alter if we could use breast milk for lactation purposes to produce it into protein-based drinks. Because you can get it's more natural for one. It comes from breast, and you know that's what we drink when we're babies. Why not drink it when we're older? We can get much better product for cheaper, and it's going to have more protein. I've been looking at certain scientific data that does show it has 7% more.
Before we go down too far of a rabbit hole, what does that have to do with NAPCO? If you don't mind me asking.
I was told to come here. I can't release all the information why, but I am told that there are certain sources that say they have certain lactation plants possibly inside or something to do with lactation in itself next to the plastic.
Oh. All right. Well, I mean, we do get a lot of. I mean, that's in a plastic container. So.
You know what? This isn't plastic, so.
It's not.
No, it is. No, you're right.
Yeah.
It is.
Yeah. I mean.
And I think this is recycled plastic too, if I read correctly.
It may be.
But so if you ultra filterize milk through the filtration process, that's when you reduce the fats in it. And I want to make it as lean as possible. Like this, I think it has, I don't know, 40% or something less than you would find in traditional whole. So it's just something to think about in the future, changing the milk. Why not use female breast milk? Is that a big deal? Why not inject men with estrogen? You could produce, lactation products that way with breast milk. There's many different routes you can go in. I think it's time in 2022 that we utilize everything that we can. So, I mean, especially, if prices are going to go up, are breast milk going to go up? I don't think so. It's easy to pump that out. It's not that hard. So that's just something that we're working on currently. I have many different leads I was going to hit up, but it's just something to think about. You know what I mean? So, did you have anything else for me? Unless if you know any leads.
Like I said, just don't pee in public.
Oh, I won't pee in public.
That will be an issue.
Oh my gosh. All right, I won't. I'll sneak around. I'll go to, gas station or something.
Yeah, that's perfect. Have a good day doing your video.
All right, you guys have a good one. Take care, gentlemen. BCNN, don't forget it. Butt Crack News Network, one of the best. You'll hear about us. Have a good day, sir.
After their interaction with our lactation inspector, the cops must have left with their heads spinning. The conversation was undeniably one-sided, with Billy effortlessly dominating in a humorous and commanding way. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know which part you found the funniest, and don't forget to check out this video for more wild interactions between police and citizens.